guys, today I have the Magic Mixies Deluxe Fashion and Golden Angel exclusive from Target. She looks really pretty. So let's get right into her. This is from the new set. So I really like the color of the bottle. This like pink. It's like a dusty pink, and the bottle top looks way different than it usually does, so I think that's pretty cool too. And then we have this. We have this. And then it has a potion guide. It says, pour your pixling power elixir first. So. And then it says, pour your water to the bottle fill line. So I just gotta get that real quick. And then it says, add the shimmering essence powder, which is this. So we're gonna open the shimmering essence. The shimmering essence. And then it says for step 4, you add the pixling magic elixir. And then you add the last step, which is the cosmic charm. You put that in. And then you remove the pink ring until the moon, and then you twist the moon until it stops. And then it says, Magicus Mixis, right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I can already tell she's going to be very moist. Lots of glitter. So she kind of reminds me, since it's out right now, of Glinda from Wicked. Because this definitely has the same Ariana ponytail, and she's got this beautiful gold bow. She's got these really high up, almost to the knee boots, high heels with wings on them. And her dress is really pretty, and then she's got a little wand with her little halo headband, and she's just got a really sweet face too. It says, welcome to Shimmerverse. Enter the new magical realm where Mixies, pixlings, mini Mixies live together and spread magic across the world. You've created Angelica, the shining angel pixling. Potion power positivity. Goodness shines from every sparkle of Angelica's gown. Using her magical wand, she's cast a spell to fill you with positive power and lift your spirits. Pure as heart, this angel pixeling will guide you to happiness. And then it says all these are the ones you can get. Marina, Fiona. You can get the limited edition Unia. Caitlin the cat pixeling, Faye the fairy, and I've already showed you guys Unia, the rainbow. I really would want this one, but I don't think it's going to ever happen to get the limited edition. But, that is who I got. And this is Miss Angelica. She's already waving at you, so that's pretty cool. But she's got soft hair. You can see she's got gold in her hair. And I hope you guys liked this video today. And we'll check back with me again in the future. Mrs. Me and Angelica saying, hope to see you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Mwah.